I recently had an opportunity to test an interesting and useful product for doing laundry on the road. The Waschii has a circular design with the roll top lid that allows you to get some really good agitation when you're washing your clothes. I do a lot of carry-on travel and I've tested most of the major brands of travel washing machines. Lately, I've mostly been using the Scrubba wash bag because of its durability and use. But I think that Waschii does some things better than the Scrubba, so I want to do a quick side-by-side comparison and weigh the pros and cons of each model. Starting out with capacity, weight, and dimensions, the regular Scrubba is larger, but the Waschii weighs less and packs down smaller, which is great for minimalist travelers. Scrubba has two models. This is the regular Untouched, and this is the Mini. This one is much smaller than either of these two, so I think it makes sense to compare the Waschii to the regular size Scrubba. Comparing the weights, the Waschii wins here. This thing weighs in at just 4.9 ounces on my scale, while the larger Scrubba comes in not too much more, but about 5.3 ounces. Comparing packability, the Waschii wins here. It has a large screw top opening, which takes most of the volume, but the rest of it is fairly small, lightweight, and folds up really tiny. Comparing that to the Scrubba, folds down pretty small, but kind of the same size here. This one is definitely smaller. However, this does have the advantage of laying down flat so you can pack it easily. Doesn't take up a whole lot of room in your travel backpack. The price of these isn't that different. The Waschii checking this morning comes in about $49.95, and the Scrubba regular a little bit more expensive, about $55. Comparing the capacity, the Scrubba Untouched is the largest of these bags. It's listed on Amazon at about 13 liters, which seems accurate. The Waschii is smaller. This is listed at about 7 liters. For comparison, the Mini is the smallest of the three. Doesn't list the capacity, but I'd say 3-4 liters at the most. This thing is really designed to work well for just socks and underwear. As far as what you can fit in these bags, the Scrubba obviously wins because this bag is just so much larger. Big wide opening. You can fit almost 2 full sets of travel clothes in here. Well, comparing that to the Mini, like I said, really just good for socks and underwear. I kind of wish they had a medium size between these two because sometimes this one seems too small, but the regular Scrubba can sometimes seem a little bit overwhelmingly large. Well, the Waschii fits right in the middle of these two, large enough for about 1 full set of travel clothes, not including bulkier travel pants, which are hard to fit inside this lid. As far as durability goes, I'd say they're comparable. The Scrubba uses a slightly thinner, stiffer ripstop fabric, while the Waschii uses some more rubbery TPU fabric, but it's quite a bit thicker. Both have seams that could be failure points around the edge and the rim on the Waschii, around the window, and this little nub panel on the bottom, as well as the top on the Scrubba. I haven't had issues with durability on either model. However, I've been using the Scrubba for longer and the Waschii only for a few trips so far. As far as ease of use, I found the Waschii wins overall, but the Scrubba is easier to pack with larger clothing items. I found the Waschii to be extremely easy to use because of the screw top. You just open the lid, stuff your clothes inside, add soap, water, and screw closed. Very easy and foolproof. The Scrubba isn't difficult to use, but it has a few more steps. You have to get the capacity and water levels right. You have to close the roll top correctly. Also, roll tops work great when the bag is full. However, sometimes when you underpack them or you don't roll the roll top enough times, it can leak out the top. However, when it comes to just general packability, the Scrubba easily wins here. This is basically just a giant dry bag with a really large roll top opening. Compare that to the smaller screw top opening on the Waschii. This is easier to pack larger bulky items. You just stuff whatever you want in here, fill it up to the line, and you're good to go. The Waschii is really easy to pack smaller items like t-shirts, socks, underwear. However, because this hole is relatively small, you're gonna have a hard time fitting a bulkier pair of travel pants in here. As far as effectiveness goes, I think if you follow the instructions, these clean your clothes about equally. However, the Waschii is just quicker, easier to use, and I think it gives you much better agitation. The screw lid gives you a big handle to hold on to, and this circular design lets you move it up and down quickly. You can turn, twist, shake for some really great agitation very easily and quickly. The Scrubba, on the other hand, works well, but it's a little bit more tedious. It relies more on these rubber nubs on inside of the bag to give your clothes agitation. You fill it, drain out the air, rub your clothes against the rubber nubs. Again, I think it works fine, but it doesn't feel like you're getting the same level of agitation as you do with the Waschii. Last comparison I'll touch on is drying. I think the Scrubba wins here. This thing is just a big dry bag. It's really easy to just open this thing. Stays open really easily when it's empty and just dries out quickly. The Washii, on the other hand, when you have the lid closed, the material kind of sticks to itself and folds down. So this thing takes a little bit of more concerted effort to dry. If you just leave it sitting on your table with the lid open, it's never gonna dry. So I find you have to be a little bit more purposeful. Hang it upside down with the lid open, pinch something on here, keep it dry, and then it works fine. In summary, I find both these products to be effective and useful for doing laundry on the road. Neither is a hands-down winner, but each design has its pros and cons. The Washii is lighter, it packs down smaller. I think it's easier to use and gives you better agitation. However, it has a smaller opening lid that's harder to pack larger clothes, and it's a little bit more difficult to dry. The Scrubba is a little bit heavier and bulkier. It can leak if it's not properly sealed, but it has a much larger capacity. It's easier to wash bulkier clothes like travel pants, and it's very easy to dry and packs down flat. I hope you enjoyed this comparison between the Washii and the Scrubba Untouched travel laundry bags. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and again, thanks for watching.